Somewhere in an Egyptian tomb, archaeologists found a jar of food. They didn't just study it. What they found was honey. There was no refrigeration. So they wondered, how does a food outlast civilizations? The answer isn't magic. It was bacteria. Bacteria needs water, yet honey has almost none. Dropped into a desert, they simply stop. Honey has a second defense. And that's how it had survived. Bees designed the defense mechanism for themselves. They convert nectar. Through winter, back to the tomb, honey also has a secret weapon, crystallization. As the honey thickens, it locks away any moisture, becoming an impenetrable shield. So, you could take the 3,000-year-old jar, gently warm it, and watch it turn back into liquid gold. Empires have risen and fallen. Yet this honey remains perfect. It's not magic, it's just that bees perfected the ultimate chemical formula for survival.